Hello guys, Alok is back again with an exciting tutorial. This time I'm going to tell all about front flip. What is front flip? You all are going to know after watching this video. Please keep watching this video. At the end of the video, I'm going to give some tricks to learn front flip very easily and very early. Yes guys, you must be thinking about what is front flip, that what is Alok is talking about. Yes, front flip is an amazing, awesome move that whenever somebody watch doing front flip, his expression like, oh my god, how you did it. Yes, I mean speechless. Actually, they want to tell a lot of things. They want to praise you after watching this move. This move is really awesome. If you ask any acrobat or professional gymnast, they will tell yes, this move is really awesome than any move that I'm doing in my entire life. So this time one of my friends has come from so far to meet me. His name is, yes, his name I will introduce you. Please, let's welcome him first. You guys, meet my friend. His name is Sagar. He's an amazing gymnast, acrobat and b-boy. So most of the things that he can do that I can't do is many things that he can do that I can't do. He's an amazing boy. You are looking his simple face, but really he's extraordinary, I would say. He can do a lot of things, a lot of extraordinary things that I can't do. He can do many things related to b-boy like windmill, munch mill, flare, air flare, cartwheel, air cartwheel, a lot of things that I can't express right now anymore. So guys, now instead of being late, let's get inside the tutorial right now. So this is the demonstration of front flip. Happy Diwali guys, advance. Okay, so to be honest, again let me tell you, this is not called front flip. Actually this is called front handspring in technically. This is called front flip. Me and my friend is showing you. See, wasn't it amazing? Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, okay, so it is the demonstration of front flip. In my next part 2 tutorial, you're going to learn how to do the front flip. This is front handspring. In my part 1 tutorial, I am teaching you right now. Before doing any move, as I was telling you, always please do split, do a little bit exercise and warm up. It will help you to attempt any move precisely and nicely. So this is the most important part of front bend. Try to touch your head to your knees. If you can't, try it again and again and again. You will get it done. You will get it done, I hope so. Okay, so as I was always telling, back bend is very essential too. In every tutorial I was telling, I will telling, and I will be telling. And split, I just hats up that split is the most important part of every exercise and of every warm up. When I was learning it, it was very hard, but I didn't give up. I did it. Yeah, okay, now it's handstand. Handstand is a very cool move guys. What it helps to give additional strength to your hands to stand and to attempt any handspring moves like back handspring. I was telling you about handstand. Also in front handspring I am telling you, please do handstand. It is very essential. Okay, so now this is rotation. While you're doing any move, you need rotation. This is front handspring, so probably you're needing front rotation. So this is how you would learn rotation. Okay, just sit down. Put your hand, just roll like this. Roll continuously. This roll will teach you how to do the rotation. Okay, first if you begin, then your front flip will head like this. This is how you will be doing, you'll be end up doing front flip if you begin first time. See what I'm doing right now. I'm putting my hand, I'm just throwing my leg and landing. Here I'm going to tell one thing to you. Please try to land your legs, not your body part, not your waist, not your back. Try to land on your legs. Whatever happens, that doesn't matter. Just try to put your legs after rotation, because I know that you will feel pain on your legs and your feet, but that doesn't matter. Pain is temporary. Okay, it will not stay with you forever. It will leave you soon if you will continue do one step. Okay, so do land on your feet. So this is the front handspring. Let me show you how I'm doing it. It's very easy. First you need to put your hand like this. Don't fold your hand too much, just a little fold. When you are 90 degree, then throw your hand through your legs and just land through your both legs together. Remember, first just drag your right leg, then try to combine your right leg with your left leg, then land together, left and right leg. Okay, land together with left and right legs. I hope it is really helping to you the way I'm showing. Okay, so again, this will happen if you'll begin. Okay, if you're a new learner, this will happen, but don't give up. Please continue doing it, fall continuously, because falling is awesome in stunt. While learning stunt, falling is very awesome. I like fall, yeah, because I fall a lot of time. That's why I could learn. I would like to give a biggest thank to falling. Due to fall, I learn something. Okay, so this part is also very important. This part is called thrust. Okay, so how you will land and standing land. This is called standing land. Thrust, you need to pull your belly toward ahead. This is the thrust. The power will let you stand is thrust. Do thrust every steps I told accordingly. Just do it. Put your hand, then right left leg, then thrust. It will happen continuously if you begin for the first time, but don't give up. It will happen. Everything is possible. Just you need to keep practicing every time. And yes, one tips that I want to give you is, please do practice a lot of times. Okay, try to give it time as much as you can from a busy schedule, because the more time you will give to a move, the more perfection you can bring in it. Okay, also you can play around and just put your leg like first left, then for second right. You can play around after learning one basis after standing. Okay, this part will take, I think, 2 months or 1 month. If you will give a lot of time to it, it will take only 1 month to precisely doing a front handspring. So I hope this will help you the way I told. Thank you guys again for watching my video. I really obliged for your love and support. If you have not seen my previous tutorial, please visit my channel and watch my previous tutorial, and you will have fun, I bet. And yes guys, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get notified about my upcoming and forthcoming videos which will be uploaded by me by my channel. Please subscribe my channel. If you found this tutorial watching, please give a biggest thumbs up down below, and you can also subscribe button is inside. I think I can see that. Yes, I could see that subscribe button, so please click on that button, subscribe my channel. I'll really feel pleased if you subscribe my channel. Subscribing my channel will help you learn many things, and it will also help to change your personality as well. This brings me to the end of the tutorial. I'll be back with an exciting and amazing tutorial. Till then, you take care, keep practicing, be safe. I love you all. Bye bye.